Hello everyone. Today we're going to talk about rates. So rates is just a comparison of two quantities of different units. So again, what are units? Imagine that you're saying 3 feet, 12 cents, and then $8, or even 9 cars. This is what they call the units. Feet, cents, dollars, and then cars. Because imagine if you just say the 3. It wouldn't make any sense unless you put a unit behind it. So you need to know what you're talking about. Is it 3 feet, 3 cents, $3, 3 cars? So feet is a unit. So a rate is a comparison of two quantities of different units. Whereas a ratio is the comparison of two quantities of the same units. So let's say that you were running, and as you were running, you did 26 miles in 4 hours. Well, first of all, this is in miles and this is in hours. So we have two different units here, miles and hours. So this type of problem, they will never ask you to write it as a ratio, because ratio, you need to have the same units. They will ask you to write this as a rate. Again, we can write, in order for you to write something as a rate, we write it as a fraction. So 26 miles in 4 hours. That means every 4 hours. Every 4 hours, you're expected to do 26 miles. So this type of ratio here, they can ask you to simplify it, and it is advised to simplify any fraction that you can. Here, I can realize that I can divide the top and the bottom by 2. So 26 divided by 2 gives me 13, and then 4 divided by 2 gives me 2. This is miles, and this was hours. So let's check again. What it means is, for every 2 hours, you're expected to do 13 miles. So that means the first 2 hours, how many miles you did? You did 13 miles. So if I added an extra 2 hours, that will make it 4 hours. Whatever I do here, I would have to do the same thing here and add an extra 13 miles, because every 2 hours you do 13 miles. So that will give me 26 miles. Just like we said before, 26 miles in 4 hours. So that's what a rate is. You just have different units. So let's look at a problem here. So let's say that you have this problem here. They say write 6 roof supports for every 9 feet as a rate in simplest form. Again, the first thing you check is that they have different units. So that's the only way to write a rate, because rate, they have different units. This is supports and this is feet. So again, the way to write a rate is to write it as a fraction. So we have 6 supports for every, so this comes first, so it goes on top, and this comes last, so it goes on the bottom, 9 feet. Even though when solving problems, it really doesn't matter which one goes on top and which one goes on the bottom. You'll see it in other videos. So 6 supports 9 feet. Again, always check if you can simplify. In this case, yes, because I can divide 6 by 3 and I can divide 9 by 3 as well. 6 divided by 3 is 2. 9 divided by 3 is 3. So this is 2 supports for every 3 feet. So that's how you would write this problem here as a rate. Thanks for watching, and make sure you practice. Bye.